Cleaning hard surface floors with the OmniFlex Dispense and Vac system is a simple process that will save time, will leave your floors really clean, really fast. The basic process couldn't be easier. We'll apply fresh cleaning solution to the floor through the self-dispensing spigot on the rear of the trolley bucket. Spread the cleaning solution evenly across the floor, then vacuum the soils and liquid away. The same basic process can be used to clean kitchens, restrooms, and virtually any hard surface flooring material. Before we begin cleaning, make sure the system is filled with cleaning solution, that you have all the tools needed to perform your cleaning task. Please refer to the filling and preparing the OmniFlex video modules for detailed instructions. Once the trolley bucket is filled, we're ready to start cleaning. So let's wheel the system to the area to be cleaned and place a wet floor sign in a prominent location. To begin, walk through the area to be cleaned and pick up any large debris that may be on the floor. Next, return to the Dispense and Vac and open the spigot on the rear of the system to the max position to begin dispensing cleaning solution on the floor. Walk the system through the area to be cleaned, dispensing solution on the floor in a U-shaped pattern. Be sure to apply enough cleaning solution to cover the area. When you return to the starting point, turn the spigot to the off position and place the system just beyond the cleaning area. Now, grab the speed spreader tool and walk to the furthest point of the cleaning area. Spread the cleaning solution across the entire surface of the floor, working your way back to the system. Walk backwards while spreading the cleaning solution, staying on the dry floor. When you reach the system, tap the speed spreader pad on the floor a few times to loosen any debris and place it back on the system. Once the cleaning solution has been spread, plug the vacuum motor into a nearby electrical outlet. Now, attach the vacuum wand to the vacuum hose and turn the vacuum motor on. Vacuum an area around the system to provide a clean, dry surface to lay the vacuum hose. Then, unwrap the rest of the vacuum hose and lay it on the dry floor. Begin vacuuming the floor starting at the system and working your way to the furthest point from the system. On grouted tile floors, vacuum at an angle to the grout lines for best results. If you encounter stubborn soils, simply flip the squeegee head over and scrub the area with the brush head to loosen soils. Then flip the head over and continue vacuuming. The vacuum wand can be easily maneuvered into tight spaces to assist in cleaning hard-to-reach areas and can be lowered to reach under shelving or equipment. Be sure to vacuum up all cleaning solution from the floor as you go, leaving the floor clean and dry. When you are finished vacuuming, tap the vacuum head on the floor a few times and then turn it upside down and tap the wand to loosen any debris that may be left in the vacuum wand. Return to the system and disconnect the vacuum hose from the vacuum wand. Wrap the vacuum hose back onto the system, leaving the vacuum motor running to avoid spilling any cleaning solution in the hose. Once the hose is wrapped on the system, turn off the vacuum motor, unplug the electrical cord from the outlet, and wrap the electrical cord back onto the system. Now, remove the wet floor signs and continue to the next area to be cleaned. When you've completed your cleaning task, or when the vacuum tank becomes filled, you can easily empty it using the built-in Easy Drain hose. Please refer to the Emptying the OmniFlex video module for detailed instructions.